Did you see that? Like, it brings me such joy when I do these types of things for people because I love seeing their reactions after. I know it's not the best reaction because they're little kids and it's like, oh my god, a new room. But regardless, even the parents, it's a blessing to be able to see and make people happy. Hi guys, so it has been a while. I had no time. I moved across the country and it's just a lot going on, but I want to take this serious and show you what I love to do. So right now I am in school for business management for my bachelor's because I want to open my own business. I know you can open your own business with just a business license, but I want to have the proper knowledge and the studies of having a successful business because my dream and my goal that is going to come true in less than 3 years, that's the plan. In 3 years is have my business. It's gonna be a mix of interior designing, organizing, and remodeling almost. It'll make sense once it's all together. But this is something I've always loved doing, and I thought about, well, why not make it a reality? Why not make it my career? That's why I decided to start posting these videos and seeing if anybody else needs help with any projects because I've done it for so many people and I enjoy it. Like, I love cleaning, and then adding remodeling and organizing on top of that is just a bonus. It's awesome. It's not the biggest changes because financially, like, I try to help people that can't buy anything and just use the space and everything that they own to make everything more simple for them. Like, obviously, if I was to be funded a certain amount of money to spend on reorganizing, like remodeling the entire room, I would, but some people can't do that. So I like to help them this way and make them a minimalist almost so that it just keeps up with everything. So this room is for a little girl and a young boy. They're brothers and sisters. She is 6 and he is 2. So you know how kids are. They can be a bit crazy and a bit messy, but the way that I wanted to approach this was try to keep the room fun, but try to make it also very organized so they would be able to clean up if their parents asked them to, which they should always keep their room clean. And it's been 3 days since I've done it, which is when I recorded the video and redid the room. They've been keeping up with their chores. It made their lives much easier, and that's why I love doing it. Okay, so as you can see, it is a disaster. Like a huge disaster. It looked like a tornado went through the room. But that is because that's how they play. And they just had too many toys. And I told them, hey, I'm gonna do your room, but we have to make some sacrifices. We have to get rid of some things that have no purpose. Any toy that is broken, unnecessary, you do not need it. Kids will say no and no and no, but they'll understand one day. So it's okay if they cry and whine about it, but they'll get over it eventually. Out of all the other toys, they didn't care. this room needed some help. I feel the way that I organized it, it did open up the room for them and give them more space to play. I do just want to say a really big thank you to everyone that watches my videos, likes and comments, supports me. I know it's a very small community for me right now, but I hope to expand and help as many other people as I can, because this is something that I really do love and I want to get on track with it. I'm just so excited to bring you guys along with this journey that I'm starting. I think it's gonna be awesome, and I hope you think so too. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.